Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make this very easy and delicious peach cobbler. Make sure you guys check out the original recipe link in the description along with the measurements. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the recipe. In a 9x13 inch pan, you want to add your peaches, your butter, your sugar, your salt, your lemon extract, and vanilla extract, and then you want to mix this all together. Then in a medium-sized bowl, you want to mix together all of your dry ingredients. This is me adding the sugar into the cobbler because I forgot to do it in the first clip. So once everything is mixed in, you now want to sprinkle in your flour mixture over the top and make sure it is coated evenly. And then you want to pour some more melted butter evenly over the top of this, and that's literally it. It's ready to go in the oven. You want to put it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, and then you want to turn it down to 375 and let this bake for an hour. Once it comes out of the oven, let it cool, not completely because I feel like warm cobbler is the best, but let it cool enough so that it's set, and then it's ready to enjoy. I had mine with ice cream because I feel like cobbler and ice cream just go together, so that's what I had, and that's literally it. The finished recipe is super easy, super simple. You basically throw it all in the pan and put it in the oven. So I definitely recommend you guys try out this recipe. Again, it will be all the measurements will be in the description along with the original recipe link, so you guys can check that out. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social medias. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next time.